Hello guys, welcome back to my lessons. Today we're going to answer questions under the topic of human reproduction. The first question says, read the extract below. It says that anchovy is a type of fish found in the Pacific Ocean. During the breeding season, the females and the males gather in large groups. They release ova and semen inside the water. That is external fertilization. Once fertilized, the egg float in the water and embryonic development occurs until hatching. The northern pikefish is found mainly in rivers during breeding season. This one is the second species. During breeding season, the female releases thousands of ova and the male releases semen all around the female. And then the fertilized eggs attach to the vegetation. They don't just float in the water, but they attach to the vegetation near the riverbed where embryonic development occurs until hatching. So the graph below shows the survival rate of both fish species. We have graph X. They haven't told us if it's the northern pikefish or the anchovy, and we have the Y. So which one has high chances of survival? That is graph X. That one shows high chances of survival. So if you look at look at the extract, which one has high chances of survival? That is a northern pikefish, because the eggs, they don't just float in the water, but they attach to the vegetation, right? So let's look at the questions. Name the type of fertilization that takes place in both fish. We choose between external and internal fertilization. The answer is external. Explain why both fish species are oviparous. Remember, oviparity or oviparous, that is when the eggs are produced and we have a yolk, allantois, and all that. So this is because their embryos develop inside eggs and they are outside the body of a female, hence it is oviparous. The second one says, describe two ways in which the chances of fertilization are increased in the northern pikefish. So the first one is that the males release semen around the female. That increases the chances of survival, the chances of fertilization, and large number of gametes or ova produced. So which graph, X or Y, represents the survival rate of northern pikefish? Northern pikefish is that one of high level of survival, so it is graph X. So the next question says, explain your answer. So they will have high number of surviving because their fertilized eggs are attached to the vegetation where they are protected from predators or washing away. So let's look at the next set of questions. It says the table below shows a comparison of the composition of the amniotic egg in three different bed species. So we have the bed species 1, 2, 3. The yolk percentage at 1 we have 17, at 2 we have 36, at 3 we have 22. So obviously you know that at 2 the bed, when it hatches, it is going to be able to move, the eyes will be open, and that will be precocial development. It will be well developed because of the yolk, since the yolk provides nutrients to the fetus. We have the water content in 177, in 257, and 361. Energy 1,04 in 1, 1,44 in 2, 1,14 in 3. Still shows that in 2 the bed will be well developed. Define ovovivipary, that is whereby the eggs are retained or they hatch in the female body and the young ones are born live. Which one of the bed species 1, 2, 3 is most probably which probably shows a precocial development reproductive strategy? That is 2. I explained why, because the yolk percentage is higher and the energy is also higher. So explain your answer. The egg has highest yolk energy content, and this will allow maximum development before hatching. Which one of the bird species 1, 2, or 3 will possibly produce offspring requiring highest degree of parental care? For a bird, the reason why a bird would require parental care is because the development will be altricial. So that is 1, because the yolk is 17%. The energy is also lower than that of 2 and 3. So the answer is 1. Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you.